Are your leads going cold before you even send them a personal welcome? By the end of this video, we will have an automated system that instantly send a personalized welcome email to every new lead. No coding required using just a Google form and Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to AutoAppy. As an automation creator, we noticed like losing lead just because we are not able to send them mail properly. It can be impact your business also. And today I'm going to show you a proven method like how we are going to make this whole process automatic. We will do this in a 3 easy steps. First, we will quickly set up a Google form. Second, we will connect it to AutoAppy. And finally, we will design a welcome email that converts them into a hot lead. Okay, let's dive in to the step 1 by setting the first node. Before that, let's jump to our website, which is autoappy.com. So here you can find this is the landing page of AutoAppy, where you can find multiple sections in which different purposes. Like in this section, you can find we integrated a list of application so that it will be very useful or easily available to use this application into your workflow. As you scroll down, you can also find there is a list of template also available, so you can directly implement this template in your businesses. After that, there is the one section called pricing plan, where we provide three plans: a starter plan, essential plan, and professional plan. In this, if you notice in the starter plan, we provide 3000 tasks every month, which is free. It means you can develop a workflow and you got 3000 free tasks for every month. Followed by in the essential plan, if you purchase for 949, you got 25000 tasks with all these supports. And if you purchase for 1949 just for 1 month, and if you purchase for 1949 per month, you got 60000 tasks every month. Now let's just create the workflow. For that, you have to just tab on the workflow. Make sure you just created your account and log in yourself with your credential. I already log in myself, so I just tap on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard, where you can able to manage and monitor your workflows. This is of their filters, like on the basis of the status, task executed, the last date modification, and the basis of their action also. So let's just create this workflow by simply adding on the first node, add a workflow, and here you have to give it the name of your workflow, which is I'm going to name it as auto send welcome email. Just give it a name, yes, and save it. Now you can find there's a list of application. We call it trigger. In our scenario, we are used Google Form as a trigger application, and the event which are going to select it is a new response received. Add a first application, yes. So now our first application is added into our AutoAppy canvas, which is visible right now, you can see it. So here we have to perform our next step by simply set up our webhook URL. Now just tap on the hamburger menu, and here you can find our webhook URL with a list of instruction. If you follow this instruction, you are able to set up the webhook URL. Now I'm just copy the webhook URL and search for my form. So this is the form which I'm going to use. You have to just simply set up this form, and so to set up your webhook URL, make sure you just link your Google form with your Google Sheet by simply tapping on the view in a sheet. Yes, here is my form is already available. Now just go for the extension, and here you have to do search for the AutoAppy webhook. Here you can find AutoAppy extension. Just click it and install it and give all the access and permissions. Okay, I already installed this extension, so here I can use this extension. While after tapping on the extension AutoAppy Webhook, just search for the setup workflow, and here you can find a workflow setup window is appear. So this is the form which I'm going to use. Form response is 1. Now the column is going to be G. So as far as the column is going to be filled, trigger is going to be hit, and the name of the column is going to be lead source. And paste your webhook query here. So here you can find there is a multiple events also here. The event which I'm going to use is text enter. So any of the text will be going to be enter, it will be going to be hit. Now save this trigger and set up the trigger. So our trigger setup successfully done. Now closed it. Here is the first part. So here we successfully set up our trigger application. We just have to simply tap on the start capturing sample data and fill the data. The submit button, the data is going to be stored into your Google Sheet, and we are expecting the data will be going to be captured into our AutoAppy also. So to verify it, just tap on the check status. So here we just catch all the data which will become from our Google form and capture into the AutoAppy itself. Now the next step, sending a mail. You will connect your Gmail account just like you connect any app. So you can send them with the welcome messages. Tap on the plus icon and search for the Gmail, and here you can search for the send email. You can use the legacy or the version 2 itself also. We just go for the version 2 and add a node. So we successfully add our action application. Here you can find there is two options. You can either use to your existing connection or you can create your new connection. I'll choose my existing connection and there is no connection, so I'll just go for the create a new connection and connect with Gmail. Now there is a window will be appear with email, so just choose your email ID and it will be going to ask for the back to safety. Don't worry, just click on the advanced and give the access. Go with AutoAppy. You just find out this window. Don't worry, just ignore for a second and give the permission. It will be all secure. And yes, we just integrate our Gmail in the AutoAppy. Now let's just select our mail ID and the sender name. So the sender name is going to be my name itself. And here is the interesting part. You can map your data from your previous node by simply tapping on this plus icon. Just tap the plus icon, select your previous node and search for the data which you want to map. In our case, it will be going to be mail and confirm it. The subject is going to be welcome about. With their first name, so search for their name. Now it will be going to ask for a body, your email in the HTML format, so you can design your mail and give it a personal touch also. I already created this one, so I just copy and paste it here. Here I just paste my all data here and that hit the submit button and tap on the test this node. So it's telling our task executed successfully. If you show the sample data, yes, it will be sent. Now let's check the email into our account. So this is the email we just got here. Now you can see how simple it is to set up an automated lead welcome email with AutoAppy. If you find this video helpful, just hit the subscribe button and make sure you share this video. And to start building your own automation workflow right now, use the link in the description below to try the AutoAppy. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.